Hi, let's take a walk. This is Amir Chakhmaq complex at night. We'll be taking a look around. This place is the mascot of our city, Yazd. It's called a complex because there are other places related to Amir Chakhmaq, like there's a mosque and other stuff. But we now concentrate on this view and the bazaar under this. Right now it's a square that's streetwise. The ice cream here is very popular, just on the left. Ah, yellow again. The banner you see is a very famous, very popular clergyman who recently passed away. It's the water fountains in front of Amir Chakhmaq are an important part of the monument. The Islamic architecture. And this is the bazaar under the monument. And there are a lot of, let's say, food shops. I won't describe to you what they sell because you might not like them. The kebab is good. This is terme again, the souvenir, one of the souvenirs of Yazd. This is a mosque under the monument, but it's very small. It's not Amir Chakhmaq Mosque. That's not exactly here. This is the bakery. There was a motorcycle inside the bakery. I just realized. Odd. And here's some pistachio for you in the end. Thanks for the support. Goodbye.